Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. In today's video, we will look at the Illuvium NFT game. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Telegram channel to not miss out on the latest news and updates. Now let's get started. Illuvium is an Ethereum network-based open-world exploration NFT game. So far the beta version is available, but more gaming modes will be available for the gamer community. Let's start with the homepage and go through all of these options. Illuvium is a collectible NFT RPG game, and there is an open-world RPG experience in the overworld where you mine, harvest, capture, and fight Illuvials on 7 different locations. Once you have assembled your team, you can join the fray in the Auto Battler where you strategically build your teams to beat your opponents in the battle. The Illuvials possess unique stats, classes, and affinities, and it affects your team's efficiency based on how you match their strengths and compensate for weaknesses. Here we have the Illuvials, and each Illuvial is a member of a different element. For example, Atlas is a member of water, meanwhile Malura is a member of bloom, and Rampir is a member of inferno. And as a secondary attribute, this one is a slayer, meanwhile this one is bulwark, and this one is a vanguard. Users can have their special Illuvials, various Illuvials, and lands in the Illuvium ecosystem. Essentially, you can sell or trade captured Illuvials or other in-game materials. You can register with your email account to receive the latest news about the project. The project has good investors and partnerships such as Immutable, Chainlink, Stake.io, Blocksync Ventures, Lotus Capital, and Influx. And as you see at the bottom of the page, we have Discord, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, Medium, and Telegram accounts where you can ask questions to the Illuvium community or contact the project members. Illuvium uses its token called ILV, and the current ILV price is $126. And you can purchase this token from several exchanges such as Binance, Kucoin, and OKEx. Now let's scroll up again and check the staking option. The staking platform allows Illuvium community members to claim yield rewards and revenue distributions. The staking platform has 2 core pools available. The ILV pool is a single asset pool and requires ILV tokens, and by staking your ILV tokens, you can receive up to 15% revenue. Meanwhile, the ILV E8H pool requires Sushi liquidity provider tokens. If you don't know how to, you can watch our decentralized exchange playlist. Stakers can acquire SLP tokens by providing liquidity in the official Sushi pool. Once you have acquired the relevant tokens, you can stake them by visiting the staking page and selecting the pool you would like to stake in. The platform requires a minimum lock duration of 1 month when depositing tokens. The longer the lock duration, the higher the yield rewards redeemed. Once you successfully stake into the protocol, you will receive rewards automatically. Rewards are claimed from the rewards page, and once claimed, rewards have a 12-month locking period, and they also compound your returns. You can withdraw any unlocked rewards or deposits from the vesting page. Also, you can see the distribution list, total value locked, and the current market price of Illuvium with how many holders it has. As I said, the game is currently in the beta version and only a handful of players have access to it, but soon it will be available for everyone to play. We have land, Illuvitars, Illumidex, claim as ILV2, NFTs, and buy ILV options on the exchange button. Let's start with the Illuvitars. Illuvitars are configurable avatars used as profile pictures in the Illuvium universe. An Illuvitar consists of a portrait and accessories with near infinite possibilities. Once purchased, players can connect their accounts and wallets to use Illuvitar across all Illuvium games. Illuvitars represents the perfect mix of randomness and rarity via accessories that are bonded to a base portrait. You can mint an unlimited number of Illuvitars during the sale window. Once the sale ends, these Illuvitars will never be minted again. Owners can resell their Illuvitars on the Illumidex and other secondary markets. However, sellers must mark their NFTs as available for sale, which means they cannot use them in-game once listed. Lands are important because by owning land, you can generate fuel, and fuel plays a vital role in your journey to catch and upgrade Illuvials. There are 5 tiers of Illuvium land. Higher tiers represent increasing rarity and higher fuel generation. Tier 3 and 4 lands also feature rare landmarks that significantly boost output. Tier 5 lands feature legendary arenas that host official Illuvium esports events. By having land, you can extract resources and sell to players across all Illuvium games to earn revenue. Scan your territory for Illuvials to make blueprints for new skins. Tier 1 and 4 land is available for purchase with Ethereum or as ILV SILV2 tokens. Tier 5 land is only purchasable with Ethereum through a live auction. To get involved in land sales, you can download Illuvium Zero. It is a mobile minigame that will interact with the main game. Illuvium Zero will be a base building game that will be staged on a piece of land. The free version of land will not produce resources that can interact with the main game. Paid land will produce resources that can interact with the main game, and there will be 100,000 plots of paid land in total. And the first land sale will offer 20,000 of these lands for sale in a Doge auction format. The game consists of 3 tokens: Ethereum, Illuvium, and SILV2 tokens. Ethereum and Illuvium tokens are more used for financial investments such as staking and purchasing lands. However, SILV2 tokens are in-game tokens and you will need them, for example, to capture Illuvials and travel through the 7 continents. Illumidex is the portal where players can trade lands, in-game items, and NFTs inside the Illuvium ecosystem. But of course, to do that, don't forget to have enough Ethereum coins to pay the gas fees. If you don't have a wallet yet, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials to learn how to. NFTs essentially play a small role in the Illuvium ecosystem. Purchasing an NFT would only change your in-game character's accessories, but it wouldn't give any additional bonuses such as extra damage or armor. They are totally cosmetic items. However, they are efficient in terms of trade. You can purchase one or sell it through the OpenSea NFT platform. And if you don't know how to use it, you can watch our OpenSea tutorial videos. If we have a look at the team, the project has 102 names listed on its website, and you can access each individual social media profile by clicking on one of these icons. And speaking of social media, let's have a look at their Twitter account. They have more than 300,000 followers on their Twitter account, and they are using this platform actively since October 2020. Social media accounts such as Twitter or Discord are a very useful way of keeping up with the latest news related to a project. For example, if you have a look at their Medium account, you can find various articles related to the Illuvium project. For example, they announced on June 1st that they will start the land sale on June 2nd. To keep on update with this type of news, you have to follow the social media accounts of the projects that you would like to invest or use. Also, you can have a look at their YouTube channel to watch the gameplay videos or the team interviews. In either case, you will have various videos to watch. And by watching these videos, you can have more knowledge about the project. Essentially, the project has most subscribers on its Twitter channel. In our next video, we will have another NFT project review for you. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like under the video, subscribe to our channel, and follow our other social media accounts, such as our Telegram channel, to not miss out on the latest news and updates. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.